Drowning in research. Let's unlock the power of Google Notebook to transform information overload into streamlined insights in just a minute. First, head over to Notebooklm and hit that Create New Notebook button to start your project. Think of this as your digital research hub. Next, upload your documents. Notebook works seamlessly with PDFs, Google Docs, and text files. Simply drag and drop or select files from your Google Drive. Watch as Notebook automatically analyzes your document, identifying key themes and generating a concise summary. This saves you hours of tedious reading. Explore the suggested questions in the sidebar. These are auto-generated by Notebook. You can click on a question to delve deeper into specific aspects of your document. But the real magic happens when you ask your own custom questions. Type in anything you're curious about, and Notebook will instantly extract relevant information and insights from your document. Now, for the final step, organize your findings. Drag and drop key phrases and sections from the document and Notebook's insights into your notes. Create outlines and build your own structured understanding of the material. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've transformed a document into actionable insights using Google Notebook. Start streamlining your research today.